At long last, the Charleston Sternwheel Regatta has returned!
It's time to start Random Travels. Glad you're here to watch Random Travels. Get your popcorn. Random Travels. Start the always entertaining. Start the awesome and amazing show.
The regatta has returned to Charleston. Oh look, pucker powder, with the power to make you pucker. Yeah, a skeleton lady. At least she still has her hair. Yeah. So we're in the middle of Charleston, West Virginia, on Canal Boulevard. They closed down the street so that I wouldn't get run over. That was mighty thoughtful of them. Charleston is located right on the Canal River. People love to park their boats and party by breaking out the lemonade and root beer and pepperoni rolls. The regatta event originally ran from 1971 through 2009. It was in 1971 that a 12-year-old boy suggested to the mayor that there be a race between sternwheelers on the Canal River on Labor Day. Well, the rest was history up through 2009, when Charleston had its last regatta due to a lack of finances. But it has returned 13 years later, thanks to some treasure donated by retired pirates.
Yo ho!
Over the years, one of the best events of the regatta has been the Anything That Floats race. To show you what I mean, I'm going to throw in some pictures of past contestants right now. The regatta has also had its fair share of music legends. For example, this year features Rick Springfield, Martina McBride, and the Four Tops. Past legendary performers include the Four Seasons, Janet Dean, Charlie Daniels, and the Spinners, and too many more to mention. I'd sure like to try some ribs at them two brothers, but Esmeralda wouldn't give me any money. What else is new? Boo! Boo to you, Esmeralda.
Don't bother me.
I didn't mean it. You'll find all kinds of stuff for sale out here on the street, but if you find anybody selling Rolexes, you might want to think twice about dealing with them. Hey, Miss Taffy, did you see that guy who's selling the shrunken heads? He offered to buy my head, but I told him I need someplace to put my hat.
You should have sold it.
Up ahead there is a concert stage. There are giant screens placed around so that you can see, including at the amphitheater on the river. Oh, did I mention that the regatta used to last 7 days? And this year they've scaled it down to 4. Well, who knows what the future holds. But it seems that 4 days is a pretty good start. Now we come to the carnival section of the boulevard. And well, I'm sure you know what a carnival is. I wonder if Esmeralda will try to win me a prize. Look, that must be the retired pirates, the ones with all the gold, the ones who put up the money to put on the regatta. Thank you, pirates.
Ahoy out there, all ye kiddies. How would you like to join me crew? The hours are long and the work is hard, but you'll never have to take another bath again.
Hey, wait a minute, I thought all you pirate guys were retired.
Aye, matey. We just want someone to clean up the place.
Man, I see you hanging around. Don't get too ripe now. I don't have any money, mister. Give me a free turn. Here's something new. It's called City Center at Slack Plaza. It has giant people and a giant dog. Now let's go find some ice cream. Boy, those people must be really bad customers. They got kicked out in the street. It's time for a car show. Everybody likes a classic car show, right? Are you guys ready to sing the song? Vampire Viking? Angry Hot Dog? Okay, let's do it. Well, I got a wild custom that wins every show, but it's a no-go showboat.
Yeah, but everybody knows that she just don't go. She's my no-go showboat.
White wall slicks with racing mags. She's just for looks, man, not for drags.
'Cause she's a no-go showboat.
No go, no go.
Well, the guys all dig it, they got no complaints about my no-go showboat.
And the chicks very flip for that metal flake paint on my no-go showboat.
It really rates fine in the custom clan, with hand formed panels stuck in Rovier pan.
'Cause it's a no-go showboat. No go, no go.
Hey, does anybody know anything about cars?
I used to drive a horse and buggy. Man, I'm just a hot dog.
Do we have any business singing this song?
Oh, I had nothing better to do.
Well, the engine compartment's filled with all chrome goodies in my no-go showboat.
Yeah, but everybody takes me, even old Ford Woodies, in my no-go showboat.
When it comes to speed, man, I'm just out of luck. I'm even shut down by the ice cream truck.
'Cause it's a no-go showboat. I said a no-go showboat.
What is a no-go showboat?
It's a car that looks cool, but it doesn't do nothing.
Oh, that's pretty lame.
Alright, let's wrap things up.
Please give a big thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you on the next Random Travels. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any shows. You can even buy a shirt. Just click the link down below. Woohoo, this is fun.
You look delicious.